Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you a new Moto G34 5G unboxing. I have purchased it from Flipkart and it is an open box delivery. It is open. I show you it's an unboxing. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. And friends, you can see in downside we see that it is comes with 4 plus 128 GB. It is a ocean green colors. It comes in 3 colors: ice blue, charcoal black and ocean green. It is a ocean green color. You can see here it is not the details of your mobile. You can see in the back side also details make it real. Super fast 5G. It is a 5G model, Moto G34 5G Motorola smartphone. It comes with 50 megapixel camera system and 120 hertz refresh rate of display. It is a display of 20:9 and plus Dolby Atmos. You can see. Let's unbox this device. You can see when we open this box, just keep it aside. You can see it comes mobile. You can see in this mobile it written that 50 megapixel and 120 hertz, and check what it is in the box. Also, let's pull up this. You can see it is a Motorola manual, and here it is a guide how to use it. You can see this. And friends, it is a charger of Motorola of this smartphone. Let's unbox. You have to just pull it like this. You can see it is a 20 watts fast charger. You can see, and a cable. You can see it is a type C cable. You can see it is a type C cable. Let's keep it aside. You can see, let's keep it inside this manual and let's check out the phone. This is a smartphone, so you have to just pull this up. You can see the smartphone. I have opened it because of the delivery. I have set it and start the mobile. You can see at the back side it is a Motorola sign, and you can see the device back side. It has 2 camera and 1 flashlight, and here it is a 50 megapixel quad pixel. You can see this, and this is a charging port type C. This is a speaker, and this is a microphone, and this is a aux cable. You can put here a headphone or any of the accessory. You can see Dolby Atmos. Here it is a microphone. Let's open it. And friends, you can see processor has Snapdragon 695 5G, octa-core 2.2 Hz, and rear camera 50 megapixel 2 MP, and its front camera is 16 megapixel, and it has 5000 mAh of battery. It has good battery, and it is a 5G phone also. Overall look is good, and you can see its edges are not pointed. You can see it's very sleek, and this it has dual SIM and expandable storage. It has audio jack also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.